morning students. Today I am going to teach you GK oral. Topic birds. Birds का मतलब चिड़िया. Okay students. Today look at the blackboard. First I will ask question, then you will give answer. Okay. First, what is this? Say, this is eagle. Very good. What is this? Say, bolo. This is peacock. What is this? Say, this is parrot. What is this? Say, bolo. This is cock. Very good. What is this? This is sparrow. Very good. What is this? Say, bolo. This is koel. Okay? So this is eagle. This is peacock. This is parrot. This is cock. This is sparrow. This is koel. Repeat again. What is this? This is eagle. What is this? This is peacock. What is this? This is parrot. What is this? This is cock. What is this? This is sparrow. What is this? This is koel. Okay, students.